started here. Just a minute. See what my friends are doing. Playing Dota 2. Let's get that going. Okie dokie. I was working on Roshan, and then I got distracted. Alright, pass ball. So, on projectile hit unit. Okay, yep, I remember where I was. I have this tracking projectile and I ended up putting stuff in the completely wrong place, so that should be fine now. Did I really turn my sound down that much? I did turn it down quite a bit. Alright. So, I'm gonna buy some of those.
Yes.
Pick that dude up.
Fiercely now. Tracks of intruders.
Alright.
Against all strife.
Oh, Roshan can't be affected by radiance. Interesting. Alright, we'll get this figured out in a second. Alright, so watch things drop down. So I do not think... Okay, that was another thing that I figured out, is that the asset browser... Somehow I need to figure out what is a... that is really freaking cool looking. Let's think, what is a spell? This is definitely a spell that will do it. The basic attack would also do it. But we want to find... I'm guessing it's Necrolite Pulse. Yeah. It's one of these. Okay, it's probably not the skull. That is not a skull. Is this a Necro Noob? Yeah, this is not the original Necrolite. Here we go. Pulse Skull. Okay, we want this guy. Hey, Tyler, what's up, my man? How's it going? Let's put this dude in here. One day you will realize. Let's see, script reload. Actually, we should just restart this.
Choose your hero.
Let's do PA, because she already has evasion. That'll make this a little easier.
Seconds to battle.
I feel blurry. Sneaky.
Right on, man.
I'm but a shadow.
Dude, I'm so stoked to play this. I can't wait till it's done. I do want to do another round of touch-up on the map. It looks pretty good, but
Surreptitiously.
it could look a little bit better. Alright, let's summon this dude. On Xbox, nice. That typing with that is
Like a
fun.
wisp.
Alright, pass the ball.
In the blink of an eye.
Did not seem to work. Let's give ourselves some money.
I'm an immaterial girl.
Dance in that region. Alright. Item functions, pass the ball. I wonder if this is even... Alright, let's see. On projectile, hit unit, run script. The script is pass ball inside of item functions. Let me make sure I copied this correctly, because I typed it myself. Yeah, that's exactly the same. Function, let's see. Killed? Where are all the events? Icons, spell functionality. Oh, it probably is going to be in here. On projectile hit unit. I wonder if Roshan doesn't count as a valid unit. I should probably double check that, because I wonder, am I still alive? Yes, we're good. Let's see. Ability target team both. I might need to add some more stuff in here so that I can target Roshan at this. That might be all that's going on. Let's check that out. Target type. Well, it's like a target team. All would be both. Okay, that's fine. Hero, basic. I don't want to do everything because that could just cause some massive issues. Same as basic, but might not include things like summons. Let's try this. Oh wait, that's target type. Let's just duplicate this. I think that should probably do it. But I need to restart. Whoops. Man, I love this song.
Choose your hero.
Oh, actually, I was going to move the ball so that this was easier to test. Maybe I should do that real quick. Who knows how many more times I'm going to have to do this. Where is it? There it is. Ball spawner. It's much easier to move in here. I don't think I need to put it on the ground. I think it'll do it automatically.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Alright, what do I need to get done tonight while that's loading? I really think I might just jump into... Ooh, maybe I should do this polish tonight.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
Alright, yep, that was much better than
now.
walking all the way over there. Except we don't have Roshan. Oh, whoops, I called him too early. That's alright.
Yes.
Did we get anything?
The battle begins.
That might have messed everything up.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
I forgot I didn't
yes,
move the
it's
ball
all
because
running.
I have to wait until that hits 0 anyways. So
Sneaky.
we can do this though.
The battle begins.
Don't blink or you'll miss me.
Version out of date. Huh. I might need to double check that. It didn't say I needed an update, but console's telling me I'm out of date. Worry about that in a second.
Yes.
Nothing, man.
Yes.
Well, I guess I should level up the evasion.
Oh, yes.
Let's think about this. There's gotta be a way to summon another hero. Is there a quick way to make every hero have no abilities? No. Make ability like charge, where hero moves, specified heroes for each team, changing players' respawn point, Force hero on all teams. Find out his ability. Disassembler. Oh, that's the clockwork. That's awesome. Oh, there's a not function? That's, or a operator? That map actually looks really freaking good. Oh, except right here he needs to, oh wow, yeah. He needs to work on his mesh material transitions. That looks freaking sweet though. I'll give it a shot.
I'm soft on the eye.
Create hero is not recognized command. Create underscore. Create unit. Hey, look at that guy. Chill out, dog. Everybody just chill out. Oh, if you type it in chat?
I'm easy to overlook.
Oh, that's interesting. That should not have aired out. I fixed that. Nope.
Moving
don't attack him.
quickly.
Okay, that'll be much better than testing with Rashawn. So let me go change this stuff back to how it was, because... Oh, I can just delete that, uncomment that. Thank you, Captain. Always coming through. Oh, yeah, we got an error. Attempt to index a nil value on 41 of jungle creeps. Hero get item slot. I wonder if it's because I spawned Chen. I bet that's what happened. So it tried to get, it might be buggy with bots. I'll have to make sure that works with multiple people. Okay, let's not worry about that right now. One thing is, I do not have a particle or an effect. That's not working. And vision radius, cast range, mana, cast point, cooldown, all that's working. Unit target, let's double check that. Targeting all enemy. I'm gonna do both because I think it would be hilarious if somebody accidentally threw the ball to the enemy. But then again, somebody could jump in and just totally throw the game, but whatever. If they throw the game, you know, people are gonna troll regardless. Let's see. That should work. But we aren't getting anything in this pass ball function.
creeping in.
Let's try, because that should work, but because there's only two types of abilities. There's skill shots and targeted.
Radiant victory.
Oh, whoops, I just won the game. Nice. Should have dropped the ball.
Yes.
Go get the command to restart this. Man, I should have that particle. I wonder, let's make sure I pre-cached it. Actually, I just barely changed this, so it is definitely not pre-cached. This whole forward slash backward slash thing is obnoxious.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
You will see less of me now.
Huh. That broke it. Hey, no, chill
There
out.
falls my
Holy
shadow.
freak,
Hell's
that
my
gives me
blade.
so much damage. I think I'm gonna have to nerf that. 100 is a lot. Okay, yeah,
I'm-
that definitely broke. Wait, I looked at the wrong thing. Yeah, I did not want to look at targeting. I wanted to look at behavior. That's why it broke. I clicked on the wrong thing. Basic. Wait, no, that's not behavior either. These things are messed up. Here we go. Needs a target to be cast on. Requires ability, unit, target, team, and target type. Behavior point can be cast anywhere. The mouse cursor is if a unit is clicked. Can be cast anywhere. Passive, channeling ability, toggling, aura. Can be cast automatically. Can't be cast. Won't show up in the HUD. Ability is tied to an item. There is no need to use this. The game will internally assign this behavior to any item data-driven, which mine is definitely. Yes. Directional. Instantly. You know what? I think I need to choose a different ability. A different particle as well. But I should also figure out which one of these it needs to be. Isn't attacking, cannot hit attack immune targets. Cannot be used when rooted. That's interesting. Bottle and wards. Okay. So it is unit targets, fine. Let's make sure I typed it right. Oh. Dota unit target team? Oh my gosh, I had the completely wrong thing in there. That is probably why. What else? I think I need to choose a different. Let's try this particle. I am so glad you showed up and told me that, Captain, because I was really about to go into a deep dive to try and figure that out.
30 seconds to
You will see
battle.
less of me now.
I'm too uncreative to think of a different name. Alright, Shin, get out of here.
Oh,
Chill.
yes.
No. There's still no particle.
Battle begins.
So, let's just do... Oh, I'm missing an E. Where is her magic missile? Base attack, magic missile. Because that is... I was reading that only particles that are set up to be a certain type of target, like point and click, like Mirana's arrow has one type, I can't even remember, it's a linear, and then abilities that you actually click on somebody is non-linear. I don't freaking remember what it's called. Tracking, that's what it's called. So there's linear and tracking, and I think the projectiles have to match up with the ability. Makes sense, because linear projectiles don't have to turn or curve or anything, they just go in a straight line. But tracking ones do.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
My edges are running. Sneaky.
Why you don't have no ball? Alright, I'm missing something. And I had the page pulled up, and then I got freaking doing something else. Tracking. Man, it's in here somewhere. We're just gonna do this, because it was the last thing I looked at before I went to bed on. Why is it pulling up all my history from work? Is there not... Usually it keeps all the work stuff there. Okay, whatever. Yesterday, techies... Lots of Reddit. Holy cow. 9. Alright. I think it might have been that one. Yes. It is indeed. Toggle abilities. Tracking projectile. Okay, here's an example. Let's just compare these. Target. Particles, dodgeable, vision, move speed. Well, I mean, if he's using this as an example, then we probably should as well.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
two types of actions, linear and tracking. Unit will be targeted. It will change its trajectory to follow the target. Following is an example of both actions. It's worth mentioning it's very important that the effect name particle system has the required properties for each type of projectile. Try and use projectile each time it's linear, it will not work. Example 1 of linear. Example 2, spell without targeting that creates many tracking projectile targeted enemies and their damage radius. Okay, so he's pre-caching it. On spell start. Oh. His tracking is inside of an action. That could do it. We'll take this one to make sure it's the same. On projectile hit, delete on hit. I should probably do that to make sure that the particle doesn't stay around. So he's doing on spell start. Yeah, 'cause that makes a lot of sense. What I'm doing does not. That is not what we wanted. So target just needs to be target. And then we'll take all that. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Because this is just, doesn't really care about much.
5 seconds. Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
Alright.
The battle begins.
Well, my friend, you spawned off the map. Okay, here we go. Why can't he just have a normal example? Alright, I know where I can find an example. We'll be okay. It's actually right there. And now it's gone. Alright, let's think. What would be one that is Holy Light? Probably. Seems like something you'd cast on somebody. On spell start, run function Holy Light. There is so much I don't know. Really makes me want to go look at this, because I bet there's a much easier way to do it, where you can just... I bet this function takes in, like, who you cast the target on, and then you can just create the projectile, and all of that nonsense. That is a lot of particles. Not super helpful. Maybe I'll just go look at that real quick. So we're looking at Holy Light and Cleric. Scripts, V-scripts, abilities, Cleric. Holy Light. Event.target, emit sound, particle, particle manager, create particle. I'm not on a Mac. You can't scroll sideways without doing this. That is awesome. It's going to attach it to event.target, heal amount, target, heal, the heal amount, event.cast here, pop-up healing, which is probably a function that's going to display the text above their head, which actually I think is a global function. Okay, well that's one way to do it. That's not an ability that needs to fly from one location to the next, though. That's just like that looks exactly like Omni-Knights. I'm really curious to actually just try this function out. Let's see. Okay. These two events provide detection for projectile collision. On projectile hit unit triggers when connecting with a valid unit, and on projectile finish triggers when both hitting a unit or exiting its fixed distance. This is just a short explanation. Yes, there is a big need for an explanation. Let's do this. I can't be the only one. No homing projectiles. The easiest way to achieve this would probably be to create an invisible dummy unit. Okay, well. I can't access particles correctly. Weird bonus attack iteration with dead units, undesired projectile collision. How to find and attach particles. So, I think... I don't think this needs to be in here. This is like... phenomenal documentation. I'm so glad other people have like gone through this and created examples. Okay, well if you can't get the part, okay. Edited your post for syntax, don't use the code button, it just doesn't work for multi-lines. Here's the link. I tested your skill and it worked for me without any changes. I just commented out the run script and particles folder pre-caching as it isn't necessary. Nice. Ugh. Why? Okay, well, let's check this out. Holy freak. This is, what an ability. Okay, we don't care about modifiers. On spell start. Okay, so he said he commented out. Test your skill, it worked fine. I just commented out the run script and particle folder pre-cache as it isn't necessary. Actually, it's going to be, well, no, it'll probably be this one. It's just the projectile speed. Okay. So, he got rid of that. Okay, that's fine. So on spell start, he's still just doing this. Let's do something like this. See if we are getting a sound.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
Alright.
The battle begins.
Nice. So we are getting a sound. We're just not getting a projectile. Alright, we're gonna start with what works and move from there. May need to be pre-caching these differently, so let's see how he did it. No, he just took the whole particle folder actually. But he said that he said he commented that, Alex. He said it's not necessary. That was not the right button. There's a lot of effects, sounds, modifiers in that one, but other than that, those are fairly simple. Just a click on people's spell with a tracking projectile. Pizza lol. Sweet. Alright, let me try this one. Thank you, Captain. I can't believe this is causing these. I feel like it's like something stupid.
30 seconds to battle.
Nuts by aliens. More than likely.
Okay. Trying to create a projectile from NPC Dota Hero abandoned, missing attachment. On model heroes Abaddon. Trying to create a projectile. Oh, you know, that's definitely an interesting idea. It's not a projectile attachment point.
This was promised.
Where did that go? Skeleton Hellfire Blast. Freak, that's huge. Alright, well we don't need the modifiers, so... So, let's just start getting rid of stuff that we don't need. Start at custom origin, caster attach attack to. Okay, I think that this is important because that's the error that it is actually giving me. So it is saying that Abaddon does not have an attachment point for this particle. So that's definitely probably a thing. Which if we do that, then we need this. That's, no, wait a minute, because that's just for this single effect that it's going to attach that control point. So let's look at this. On spell start, tracking projectile, fire sound, okay. Okay. So he's going to attach that to make sure that they have space. Because, well, actually, let's just try this. Let's just try it. Let's see what happens when we try and. And then we also need to do item remove self. Removes the past item from this unit's inventory. So this is actually like this. Caster. That is true. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I'll have to think about that, because I'm probably going to have to do like an on spell start, check to see if they have space, and then I don't know how I'm going to cancel everything. I wonder how you cancel it. I can only think of stuff that's built in, like Magic Community, like you click on a hero and it says, nope, you can't actually cast this, but that's all built in. That's not... Alright, well for now, let's just make sure this works. I'll have to think about that. It's going to be an interesting issue. Get rid of the target. Wonder if you can do that. Like, yeah, I bet. A fissure spawning Venowars. That is... I can only imagine. That sounds unbelievably complicated. I may just have to have like a finish animation. Kind of like what I'm thinking right now off the top of my head is what the heck is her name? Legion Commander. When she wins a duel and it says winner, I might have to have something like that that's like says ball caught or something. I don't know. I think that might get a little bit too confusing though. It's not super intuitive. I'll have to, yeah, there might be something where you can cancel. Time before spell goes off when it can be cancelled with the stop command. That would be awesome. That is so true. I would have to... Yeah. I don't think it's going to be simple regardless of what I do. It's going to be difficult. Spell will cancel if the target goes over the cast range plus this value. No, there's nothing. Alright, things to think about. Bugs to
The Phantom
hopefully get
creeps
rid of
in.
before we even start.
Oh,
Oh, I guess I can just type it.
I'm but a shadow. Like a
Attempt to
wisp.
index item 73. Yeah, I should definitely do that. If item. Whoa. Huh.
They see me not. Not yet. My edges are...
Did not. I wonder if that function's botched. And I don't think script reloading. I would think script reloading would fix that. Let's just print out. We are getting no errors, so if item, we have an item. No, we do not have an item. I wonder if this is zero based.
There's more of me, but less to see.
It is indeed. That's an issue. Because I'm doing that somewhere else. I'm doing that when Rosh spawns. I mean, when we steal the ball from Rosh. There it is. When Rosh steals the ball from the player. Cool. Glad I found that. Oh. No item for me?
It's
No
immaterial.
item for Tiny.
Don't blink or you'll miss me.
Okay, okay. I need a way to spawn the ball. Let's add that in real quick so I don't have to keep... register command... spawn ball... Spawn ball. Dude, what do you do? I don't know how you stay up so late. I mean, it's like freaking late over there. I shouldn't even say it's late. It is early. Like, you should be munching on some breakfast, drinking a coffee.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
It's immaterial. They see me not.
Okay, well, I know it's gonna bug, so I should figure that out first. Just find out. So caster or target add item. Yeah, it's got that vibe for sure. Like the no brackets vibe and the indentation. I don't think indentation matters like in Python. Like I think I could probably do that and it would work. Which has a PHP feel. Like anything goes. Also the thing that feels like PHP is this. Lack of debugging consoling tools. That is like the only option you have is to print. And so you have to like iterate over tables and print out each value. So let's actually, I know that it works to remove the item, so that's good. So let's just, let's do that. That way
There's more of
we
me,
can test it.
but less to see.
Oh my gosh, he has the ball. What? So, I wonder if what happened is that he got the ball, and then I removed the ball, but it removed it from both players' inventories, which shouldn't happen, but it's definitely possible. So, either all three, or no, either both are
You
going
will
to be
see
gone,
less of me now.
or, oh, that's interesting. Why don't I have the modifier? Okay. What is happening here? There's definitely a logical explanation. So he is actually getting the item, but it is not removing it from my inventory. But as soon as I remove it from my inventory, he doesn't have the item anymore. So he's not getting the inventory part. I think he's getting the entire ball. Let's do that again. Let's see if my spawn ball function works. Nope, because
I'm easy to overlook.
I don't know why. Expected vector but got void. Oh, you need to pass a parameter into spawn ball, and I'm not passing it. I was having the same issue with deleting the ball off of the ground. Is that it would delete the actual item, but it wouldn't delete
30 seconds to battle.
it wouldn't delete the model.
Deep I drink from the
Which that looks like exactly what it's doing, so. So it says I still have it, but I don't. I definitely do not. This is
The battle begins.
this is not a real thing. Because I can now throw it back.
well studied.
So there is there's got to be a better function than remove item or remove self. Remove self doesn't. Or am I doing remove item? Let's see what I'm doing. I'm doing remove item. There's got to be something better. I could do remove self. Removes the past item from this unit's inventory, but it removes it from both inventories. Man, why does stuff like this gotta happen? I wonder if I can change the owner of an item, because I think it like if you look at Tiny, it says that I own the item. So I wonder if that's got something to do with it. Get credit charges, get purchaser, is permanent launch loot, set purchaser. So I wonder if I do that. Item, set purchaser, target, and then if I remove... I wonder if I want to use a different function though. I wonder what happens if I get what it returns if I do caster, get item in slot I. I wonder what this returns. Returns the item. So let's do this. Instead of keeping the reference that I saved, let's do caster, remove item, and then get the item again to make sure we don't get the one that's been given to Tiny. Let's see if that works.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
Deep I drink from the fount of fate.
Oh.
The battle begins.
Can spawn the ball now, though.
I might have that.
Let's see, let's go look at... Man. Why wouldn't it just... Okay, there's gotta be a better way to pass items. That's what I'm thinking. Instead of add item. I was thinking about making it so that when I log in, or when I play the game, it says something, since I created the map. Maybe we'll do that. The Oddball King has joined match. Gosh, man, there's got to be something in here. I wonder if I can do this. So if I just add an item to this inventory, it'll add a new copy of it. And then if it adds a new copy of it, then maybe we won't run into this issue. Need another ball.
This was promised me.
Yes! Okay! Alright. Oh. That's not good. He notices when I pass him the ball, he has the original cooldown, because it... Can I set the cooldown on an item? Just one thing after another, man. Clear the cooldown remaining. Oh, please tell me there's like a make this go on cooldown. Get cooldown. Get the cooldown duration for this ability at a given level. Start cooldown. Okay. So the only other one I can think that might work is this use resource. Mana, gold, and cooldown. Use resources? Oh, never mind. Alright. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, wait. What does this return? Please, just tell me it freaking returns the item. Void. Why would something return void? Why not just return me the item? So now I have to go search for it. Target. Oops. 0 to 5. Target. Get inventory. Get item in slot. Man, so stupid. Actually, I should save that. I freaking love this song. Actually, what is this even on? I should probably check that. Please, just don't be ability. It's probably ability. Might work. Items are abilities. Might work. That is not a valid way to do things. Let's not use the same variable. And let's not make our variables global. So I don't know if you can get an ability off of an item. It's going to be item data driven. I can't believe it doesn't. Oh man. So I have to restart this before the game really does end. See, it's based off of base ability, and is base ability not the one that has start cooldown? Yes, it is. I know what it is. I think I know what it is. If new item.
I can scarce contain such power. So
Yes!
The battle begins.
It's getting pissed at me for something. Unable to look up attachment. Oh. Yeah, that's fine. Direct pre-cache of... Okay, but this looks like it's working. So I cast it, and it should be on cooldown for him. Gosh, yes! Oh, man! Doing it. Alright, let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, one more thing to test. What happens when we type in gimme gimme and do this and then do this? This is gonna bug out. It's gonna freaking bug out. I don't know what to do about it. But we're gonna find out.
I see.
It puts it in his stash. That's hilarious. That's not good. I really hope the points aren't incrementing right now. Because that, my friend, would definitely ruin the game. Increment score. Okay. It's not incrementing the score, it looks like. Now it is. Okay. So that does break pretty heavily, though. Because if somebody can just take the ball off the map, that's not fun. Can you, like... Okay, you can't right-click on it. Good. That's a bug, but that's a good bug. It's a feature. What am I talking about?
The mist shows me it is not mine to belong.
We're gonna have to figure out how to find out if they have disassemble item, get item in slot, has inventory, has item in inventory, has space in inventory, removes an item, sells the item, set has inventory. Get number of items in inventory. Awesome. Has any available space in inventory? Yes. That one. I don't know what to do about it, but it is there. Let's drop this before
So it goes.
I finish the game. What should happen? Oh my gosh, I totally know what should happen. This is gonna be awesome. So before any of this happens, this definitely needs to be broken out into a new function because this is getting out of control. So, add new on all remove old. I don't know what the heck else to call it right now. Okay, this needs to calm down now. So we need target and caster. I think that's it. And then the item, obviously. Okay. So if target has available inventory space, then we do this. Else we do not do that. Sweet. My brother just landed. Okay, if not, drop the ball. That'll be great. And then I'll trigger the sound ball drops. So let's put a comment in here for that. Why is that not a comment? Because that's not a comment in Lua, that's why. Can't wait to go through and do all the audio recording for this. I hope it sounds okay. If not, I'm gonna have to do freaking effects on effects. I don't know if my voice can sound like the guy in Halo, but we'll figure out. I might be able to. So, I'm going to need the item, because I'm going to need to delete it. No. I don't think I will. So, I'm going to need the target, the item. Actually, I will need the item. Hopefully this works, but it's probably going to bug out again, and I'm going to have to delete the item and create a new one and drop it. Which isn't a big deal because I can just call the spawn ball function. Let's just do that. That sounds 10 times easier. So let's do caster, remove item, and then we'll just do I don't freaking remember what this is. Okay, so we'll get the game, and then we'll just do game spawn ball with target get absolute origin. That was easy. Composability, my friends. Composability. Alright, actually, let's drop that.
Such power.
I just thought of that. Why would you pass the ball when you can just drop it? I mean, it's way. No, it'll be fine. I don't think that's a big deal. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's buy one more of these dudes. Caster. Attempt to index local caster. 101. Oh, I guess I should pass stuff in. But it should not have... Yeah, Tiny still has the ball. Okay, we're still good. I actually need to reload that.
More than
Awesome. That sums it up.
I might have that. Well studied.
Okay. There's a couple things I need to add to my list. Fix the model or find a new one. Because the ball is just... Let's see. Let's look at Skeleton King. Hellfire Blast. Sphere. No. Why would it not be... Where's the skull? Oh, it's right there. See, this is the same skull. Yeah. Problem is that the origin of the skull is in the center, and so when it sits on the ground, it like is halfway in the ground, and so it just looks retarded. And editing this is just not fun. What else can I use as the ball? I really like the skull. That's like classic Halo. Freak. What else is round in the game of Dota? Let's do this. This will make things easier. Let's just look at all the guys.
Choose your hero.
Okay, we have a Photic shield. That's not gonna fly. I bet the particle for that is in the center as well, so... Okay, we don't want that. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Let's actually look at that.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Where's the spiderling's, like, projectile?
30 seconds to battle.
Yeah, I guess that does look right. That's... These are particles, though. These aren't... I actually need to do... Duh.
The battle begins.
Wait. Yeah, I need a model. So that one's just a projectile. See, his skull is a... Let's check out Skeleton King. Skeleton... What about Skeleton King's head? He doesn't have a head. Well, he's a Wraith King now, so... Okay. We can look at the Chaos Bolt. It might just be a projectile. Yeah. Okay. we have skeletons. Skeleton hook? That's funny. It's called the Dragon Claw hook, yo. There's actual skeletons though, so let's look for creeps. Yes, you. I want your head. I just want one that is not, like... halfway, and I don't want to edit it. They are all the exact same skull. And they are all in the center, which totally makes sense, it just doesn't for what we need it for. Maybe I can change some sort of, like, let's see. Like the origin. If I could just change that. But I cannot, unless I unpackage it. There would be a lot that would go into that, I would think. But let's dive into it, let's figure it out. This search is like very... Well, in source 1 we had a QC file where we could use a scale command to make the model bigger or smaller. Unit set model scale. Thanks for the fast response, but can you please tell me how I can run this script? There's also a model scale. You edit NPC. Yeah, but that's for units. There's nothing for items. Somebody's making something intense. I may need to convert this VDL to MDL. VDML to MDL. Holy cow. Anyways, VMDL. Modify it. I really just want to change the origin point, because if I could change the origin point on this, that would be perfect. I just need to set it to not be right in the center. This is gonna be huge.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
Spectral mist fills my soul to overflowing.
Yeah.
The battle begins.
Avernus.
I should duplicate this first so that I don't. I think that might cause issues though, so let's see.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
Look upon the Lord of Avernus and beware.
That's pretty large. Distribution count. Even distribution.
The battle begins. Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
For the House of Avernus. Chosen of Avernus.
The battle begins. Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
I can scarce contain such power.
Yeah. Whoops. Let's just back that shit way up.
The battle begins.
Hey man, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Very cool. Yeah, we just got our rental car, so we are heading that way.
Sweet.
We're gonna stop by Walmart, grab like pillows and sheets and stuff.
I got sheets, so you just need pillows.
Oh, just pillows? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You need anything from Walmart?
No, not that I can think of. No, I don't.
For the
I'm good.
House of Ernest.
You there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah. Do you need anything?
No, I'm good.
Oh, okay. Cool. Wait a there, and then we'll probably be near place and
Sweet, sounds good, man.
okay. Yeah, need a deal.
Alright, see you in a bit. Bye. Alright, where did I change this? From 600? I was gonna say, something doesn't feel right. And then I realized, yeah, it's because you're being an idiot, and you're still referencing the particle in here. Oddball indicator.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
A dark thirst slaked.
Ooh, that's itty bitty.
And that
100 is probably perfect. Oh my gosh, you can edit it on the fly?
The battle begins.
Oh man, I might just go through and like start editing all of my particles.
I ride.
That is so sick.
Chosen of Avernus. Power stirs within. Things are rarely as they seem.
Let's make that not fade out so much.
I have sworn. I see the way.
That is so cool that you can change those live. I better drop this before the game ends. And then I got some other stuff I need to do. So we're not going to be able to do this. So this is going to change to always. Actually, I should go check my... I think it would show which ones I posted. Alright,
Such power.
so I know that there is already... Let's see. Modifier state provides vision. Because all of these, none of these have modifiers. It's like, man, I just want to see what they're doing. I wonder if I could just apply a modifier in my modifier. And apply this one. Totally deserves a separate guide, an event that can contain as many actions as needed. Yeah, so, well, that's on an ability though. I should be able to do that on an item. Should be fine. I would rather pull out whatever this is doing instead of just putting it in there. Really? Target, modifier, name, and duration. It's not even loaded up. That's not like true actual vision though, which I think is what I want. I don't really want the Bloodseeker vision, but we'll see.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
Chosen of Avernus.
Man, this thing is not having a good time right now.
Scouts.
What the heck is going on?
Begin.
Don't need that one either.
I travel.
What is going on? Super freaking choppy.
By the House of Avernus, I can scarce contain such power.
It's gonna give me vision of both of them? That's unfortunate. Alright. Yeah, that's not good for testing. Now is it? Okay. Well, that is giving a crazy amount of vision. And it's not because of that, it is because of this. That's a lot of vision. Why is there no property on the modifier? Stats, respawn time, proc attack, post attack, mode right animation, move speed, mode model change, miss percentage. Health bonus, evasion. Yeah, that gives a stupid amount of vision. That gives all of it, like as if they were just, they were your hero. Wish you could set a value on that. I mean, maybe you can. Freaking no documentation is OP. But I think states are just on or off. I mean, there is a vision property, so we can try it, but it looks like it's only on projectiles. Okay, well that is just like ridiculous. It's definitely almost time to go to bed. Whoa, that threw a lot of errors. File error loading resource header.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
What is going on?
The battle begins.
Nada. station.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
This fills my soul to overflowing. Mist.
I bet that only works on... I bet I know how it works.
Things are
That's
red
nice.
as they seem.
Oh. I have no idea where he just ended up.
I travel.
What in the world? I don't know where I clicked. Tiny is gone and he has the ball. Alright, let's try that again.
I might have that. I can scarce contain such power.
This is being so ridiculous. I bet if I use this ability on him,
I just might.
nope. Well, this is definitely calling for a restart. Something is not happy.
Look upon the Lord.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
Fast
Choose your hero. Seconds to battle.
Scouts.
The battle begins.
Things are rarely as they seem.
Hero with Aegis has modifier. If they don't have it, add the new modifier. That's it? I would think that that would only work. I mean, that's about to wear off.
Scarce contain.
I need to do it without a duration.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
I drink from the pot of fate. Yes.
The battle begins.
I can't believe that is the only option. I have no option to add an item to the minimap. And it's not looking like I can just give vision of a unit in an area. This is like one of the main things that needs to happen inside of this.
Overflowing.
Oh, I was wondering what the heck that modifier was. Because he stood on the buff pad.
Cunning. So it goes.
I was not expecting this to be one of the big issues that I run into. No, there absolutely has to be a way to do it. Zeus does it. When he gets vision from his spell. I just really hope that's not in Lua. I bet it is. It's probably this. I bet he just selects all heroes on the map, applies the modifier of the damage, and then adds this. I got an idea. I love this documentation. Oh, there we go. Team ID, location, radius, duration, obstructed vision. I think what I will do is I will not deal with it inside of the ball. I think what I'm going to do is just do it in Lua, do it in my think function. So we need to do team ID, location, radius, duration, one's a Boolean, obstructed vision, false.
Things are ready as they
Oh boy, look at that.
look upon the Lord of Avernus and beware.
So I may need to create a different think function for this, because that is going way too slow. Set think All vision. Whoops. Hopefully that's not like unbelievably unperformant, but alright. So far that's been 10 times easier. I just wish there was more API.
Choose your hero.
I really wanted to show this on the map, but this will have to do. Which this
30
actually
seconds to battle.
kind of kills one of my other ideas that I wanted to do, which kind of sucks.
More than likely.
The battle begins.
Wonder if you can't have more than one global think function. Let's see if I got any errors. Actually, what am I thinking? Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Take this. Function. Let's do that, and then we'll change the ball's think function. To do one think, and then that'll call that, which will then call that. Now we can add this. Doesn't need to be attached to the game mode. And then we can do ooh. This is actually not. This is not the think function that we want to do it on though. It's actually this think function. Set context think. All respawn checking. Okay, so it's thinking.
Such power.
We can speed it up, dog.
So it goes.
Tiny go.
Yes.
Freak, he just like keeps walking.
I travel with the mist.
Wow, really?
So be it. Well studied.
And I think that that's... No, it definitely runs. Yeah, that's where we want to go. So we want to go into here, which is... We're going to do... Oh, really? Cool. Thanks, man. That is good to know. I can find that fool chilling in the bushes. I don't know where the heck he keeps ending up.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
This was promised me. Mark me well.
Why is that still...
The battle begins.
Let's do this. Yeah, why is that still applying? Oh, it's right here. Let's also get rid of this.
Choose your hero. 30 seconds to battle.
This was promised me. By the House of Ernest.
Seems that you may not be able to go less than 1 second. Man, it's freaking freezing in my house. I'm gonna turn off the AC. Holy cow, where are we? Here we are. Let's go see if that's a float. I think that's my brother. code. Yeah, because I'm usually this game, so it's so cool. There's just one guy for Cuter being chilled. Oh. Tomorrow. I was like carrying a shag carpet too, and he was like, "Man, that's a good find," and I was like, "That is such a big thing." Just like, oh, I wish I was getting that. Like, sorry.
Yes, we're gonna go down there.
Sweet.
Yep. And then afterwards we'll just drinks.
The rest of the Sunday.
Yeah. For sure. Yeah.
The two bedroom. Oh, yeah, dumb. Yeah, I'm tired.
Yeah.
It's opposite in my mind. Okay.
Plus an empty basement where you can, it's just go to San Francisco, this in San Francisco would be $3 million.
Absolutely.
Yeah. My friends paid $2,000 on the first studio apartment. He's like, I'll go to that's our situation. We have a studio.
Yeah, I know.
We
It's
pay
just,
$2,000 a month.
just don't think of it like that.
That's exactly what. That's so nuts. Holy cow. Right on the grand for studio. Like my husband was like, "Yo, please." Like, yeah, rent is like maybe $100 cheaper or $200 more. Like it just ranges in between that. It's like not worth it. Yeah. Well, hopefully we can buy it. Blending into the wall, it's really great. The white period like totally blended into the wall right now. Right on. Okay, well, we're probably gonna crash. For sure. So tired. Sounds good. Me too. Thank you so much. Not a problem. The breakfast in the morning. Sure, absolutely. I know how to do it. Some good places around. By the way, I get breakfast on today. Do you really? So, apologize. There's like milk and it's like some green onions. Well, yeah, milk and green onions. I made pasta a couple times.
Okay, we have FP covered.
Hey, I'm gonna teach you how to cook. I'm gonna turn you into a foodie.
I love cooking, so I've made some sweet stuff. I just don't do it much.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Okay.
No, no.
We get everything.
I think so. The other car's empty.
I don't know how to whenever you guys want to go to breakfast, let me know.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Probably wait till Wednesday.
The sun can lean and I love it, so I'll do it.
Sarah?
Let's test something real quick so I don't wake you guys up. Close the door and I'm going to type on my keyboard. See if you can hear me. It's a mechanical keyboard. So.
How do we get here?
Is it like a typewriter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kinda sounds like.
I can
Okay,
switch.
how much noise I can play.
I can switch keyboards.
No, it's fine.
Well, you guys are here at least. It's not a big deal. I have another keyboard that doesn't make it sound like a typewriter.
Well, it's the beach.
That's cool. I also have my laptop, so it's gonna be good. Cool. Alright. I'm gonna shut this down. Hit the bed, so. Yeah, not a problem. Alright, good night, guys. Alright, we are gonna hit the sack. Let me add make a note.